So good evening. Further examples on inverse Laplace transform. So now already A 1 divided by s minus of a ಏನಿರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ exponential form e raised to at formula 1 divided by s ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು t raised to n formula but s square something ಏನಿರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು either hyperbolic or just trigonometric function. Between minus ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು hyperbolic ಬರ್ತದೆ, between plus ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ just trigonometric ಬರ್ತದೆ. So how to solve this, right? So 3 is constant, take it outside, L inverse of 1 divided by s square minus of 2 square over 14. Now it is exactly in the form of sine hyperbolic because of my constant is so 3 into sine hyperbolic of 2t. So constant of 280 divided by 2 because of L of sine hyperbolic 18. L of sine of hyperbolic 18 so 1a divided by s square minus of a square formula right. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ sin hyperbolic 80 so that equal to a is constant so take out 1 divided by s square minus of a square. ನಿಮಗೆ a ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ a so it is exactly in the form of this. So 1 divided by something is ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So the L inverse of 1 divided by s square minus of a square it is sin hyperbolic constant ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Another example L inverse of 4 divided by s square minus of 25 ಅಥವಾ s square plus 25. ಮ್ಯಾಗ s ಇಲ್ಲ so s ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin ಬರ್ತದೆ, s ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ cos ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, right? So 4 is constant, take it outside, L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 5 square 25. So it is 4 divided by so between plus ಐತಿ so it is a sin of 80 sin of 5t constant agaithi 5t divided by 5 because of L of sin of 80 formula a divided by s square plus a square. A is divided ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಇದನ್ನ h ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕೋರಿ so ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square so that equal to sin 80 divided by a form, right? 1 divided by s square something ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು sin ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಅದರ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ cos ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ s ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು cos ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಏನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ s divided by s square plus 25 so it is a constant. Directly I can write it is s divided by s square plus 25 it is cos of 5t because of L of cos of 80 formula in so s divided by s square plus a square. ಮ್ಯಾಗ s ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ s square ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತಂದು cos ಮ್ಯಾಗ 1 divided by means constant divided by s square ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ sin ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆ sin ಇದ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. These are the some different examples. So L inverse of so examples on p raised to n into e raised to 80 form ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವೆ like this. So 1 divided by so s minus of a raised to 3. Find L inverse of it is this, right? ಇಂತ ಏನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇವನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. So L inverse of 1 divided by s minus of a whole cube, L inverse of 1 divided by s minus of 4 whole raised to 5 like this. ಹೀಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್? s minus of whole square. It is simple. So this is exactly in the form of L Laplace of t raised to n into e raised to 80 formula means n factorial divided by s minus of e raised to n plus 1 n factorial divided ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಇದನ್ನ L inverse h ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು L inverse of 1 divided by t raised to n ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಂಗ so s minus of e raised to 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. So I can write n value ಎಷ್ಟು 3 ಇದ್ದು 2 ಆಯಿತು. So it is exactly a value is it is ಏನು ಐತಿ e raised to 80 divided by e raised to 80 into t n value ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ 2 ಐತಿ divided by n factorial it is 2 factorial ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. So because of this formula so I can write like this. So ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ L of t raised to n into e raised to 80, right? So that equal to using this base n factorial divided by s minus of a raised to n plus 1. So L inverse of t raised to n into e raised to at. So that equal to L inverse of n factorial divided by s minus of a raised to n plus 1. Right? N factorial is constant, take it outside. T raised to n into e raised to at divided by n factorial into that equal to L inverse of 1 divided by s minus of a raised to n plus 1. Right? So now this is exactly in the form of this. So already ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು s minus of a s power 1 ಇರಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಇರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so it is exactly in the form of this form t raised to n into e raised to at form ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು so as it is ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ so L inverse of 1 divided by s minus of 4 5 can be as 4 plus 1 so n is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯಿತು ಮೇಲೆ n is equal to 4 ಆಯಿತು and a is equal to 4 ಆಯಿತು e raised to at into t raised to n formula so that equal direct ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ t raised to n is equal to 4 e raised to at a value is 4 t divided by n factorial is 4 factorial because of this concept. Clear? Similarly how to solve L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 4 raised to something constant between plus ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು a value minus 4 ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ so it is minus 4 into divided by n factorial n is equal to 4 ಅಂತ 4 factorial. This is the example. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.